Hey guys, Handyman Phil here. Today we're going to be talking about the full motion EGLF3. But first things first, let's get it up on the wall. All right, now that we got the EGLF3 and our TV up on the wall, we can talk about some adjustments. Get it to exactly where you want it to be for your primary viewing spot. You do have the opportunity to slide the wall plate itself. You can slide it left or right. So if you have a unique situation where your studs aren't perfect for where you want your TV to be sure you take advantage of that, and be sure you do that before you put your TV on the wall. We're just gonna go ahead and get it exactly how we want it. So we'll go ahead and we've already adjusted the level. We did that on the back side to make sure that it's nice and square. We're just gonna go ahead and make the tilt here a little bit. So just like that. We're gonna sneak on back here really quick. You can use your hand to turn the tilt knob, but also there is a hex key included, so be sure you grab that and go ahead and really put that in there and give this a really nice lock. Things might change if you use it in a little bit of a different viewing spot, and that's okay. Just know where your tools are and be willing to make minor tweaks so you get that perfect viewing angle every time you want to use it.